Namaskaram. I'm Dipti. I'm from Pune. So I conducted my first online class along with two other Hatha Yoga teachers, Riddhi Akka and Amit Anna. And it was really nice experience. I got to learn a lot of things. It was a very overwhelming experience for me. And and yes, I look forward to taking more online classes now. Thank you to Hatha Yoga School for giving me this opportunity. Otherwise, I would have taken much more time to take my first online class. So, uh, yes, thanks a lot to Hatha Yoga School and of course the other two Hatha Yoga teachers, Amitana and Riddhi Akka. Without them, this wouldn't have been possible. We all three together could do it much better actually. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.
सबसे पहले तो आपको इंटरनेशनल योगा दिवस पर और आपकी सारी टीम को मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई और धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि आपने इतना अच्छा आयोजन किया जिससे हम सभी लोग इसका लाभ ले पाए। इसलिए सर अमित सर और आपकी पूरी टीम को सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, साधुवाद। निश्चित रूप से हम लोग सभी खेल से जुड़े हुए हैं। खेल के साथ में अपनी इम्यूनिटी पावर बढ़ाने के लिए हम आंतरिक क्रिया को भी योगा के माध्यम से मजबूत बनाए। ऐसा आपने हमें सेशन दिया, इसके लिए सर बहुत बहुत आपका धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू हरीश, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much for your acknowledgement. आपने ये सेशन को स्वीकारा और अपनाया और आपने प्रैक्टिसेस करना भी चाहा।
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
So I wasn't really sure about how the online class will go and will that be impactful as the face-to-face class. And since this was my first online class, I wasn't sure at all will my internet connection will work and how the participants will be able to get it, and the meditation and the practices, what if they go wrong, like able to correct them. Just so many things that I've learned in this class. After class, right now we just finished our class, the last session of this day, and I am feeling very now confident as to okay, now I'm full on to take the next class as well. The things that I've learned during this class is there are people who really want to learn yoga and they are interested. It's just that we need to make few more efforts to reaching out to the people. I think that's where I lack. There are some technical things that I have to educate myself. There are other things like making form or also in making the poster. I think there are a lot of things for learn. But overall, since I think I'm complete now 6 months post-training and I've learned a lot. I think it's challenging things have given me a very good opportunity to learn the online course as well. And then I'm surprised with surprised creative things also happening in the class. Like this is learning curve and I'm learning about. I really thank you for doing it. And you having my audience with, I don't think I would have taken a reason to make this class by myself. I really thank you and Amit for supporting me and for making this class happy. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for acknowledgement. Amit, you can also share.
Namaskaram. My name is Amit and I'm from Bhopal. So when I get the opportunity to take the online class, so I'm very curious and I'm very afraid how I take the class. Because of I take the sports class, so a little bit confidence there. So when our team is decide, then I talk to my team. Okay, you both are taking the class. I'm just supporting. but they encouraged me. You also go and take the class. Then I started the practice and I read all the guidelines and everything. I so many times I read it and do the practice. And after this, my team Riddhi and Dipti, uh, so many everywhere supporting me. Okay, you can do like this and you can do like this. Then at the last, when my turn is coming for taking the class, so uh, just I suppose nobody is in front of me, just only camera and that screen. So just I remember the Sadguru and start the very manner where whichever I read there in instructions, I follow all the things. And when the finish the class, then I think, oh, this is the online class, and I realize somewhere what are the mistake, and I realize how improve. Then I note down these things, and I think next class I will do so better. Thank you very much. Namaskaram.
First and foremost, I am really grateful to Sadhguru for giving me this opportunity to be a part of Isha Hatha Yoga teachers community. It's a great privilege and honor to create something out of a life which is mundane, to create an opportunity to serve. So, this is something I consider as precious and valuable. Being part of this community, I had my own struggles and I have discovered myself through the training. Now that whatever I have discovered, I consider this as a precious gift which I can pass it across to the world and support the teachers, support my friends, support the entire community. Sadhguru has given me this great opportunity from being a receiver to becoming a giver. So I'm really grateful to Sadhguru. Taking online classes has been on another plane because since 8 years, this opportunity was not valid, considering the classes are virtual and it may not justify to the sanctity of practices. Now that in these challenging times, Sadhguru has opened up certain practices to deliver online, I also consider this as a great opportunity to be at our own home in social distancing and still touch lives. So that transformation never stops. And for doing this, after taking one class independently, I shared my experience along with my team. The raw experience has been college working together with my team, Dipti and Amit. They have been very kind, humble, and receptive to whatever I was communicating to them, and as a reflection, similarly, I was also able to take whatever they had to point out to me. So together, we have grown leaps and bounds in as a teacher in taking these classes online. This platform is not familiar to us, but we are growing as we look at the world and stand for the world to grow. Thank you so much for being part of Isha.